Yes, students. Good morning, everybody. I have got two liquids. One is mustard oil and another is water. I'll mix these two liquids. Now, just see. Do you think they have mixed within each other? Can you see separate layers of water and mustard oil? Can you see water is at the bottom and mustard oil is at the top? So how we will separate these two immiscible liquids? They are not mixing with each other, they are immiscible liquids. So today we will do the technique to separate immiscible liquid by using a separating funnel. Yes, student. Today we will do another separation of components of a mixture method. And this method is, activity is, how can we separate a mixture of two immiscible liquids? Apparatus required is a separating funnel. Material required is a mixture of kerosene oil and water. And I have told you that immiscible liquids are those which do not mix with each other. So here is the diagram of separating funnel. In this separating funnel, you see this is stopcock, and in this we have put a mixture of kerosene oil and water, and they are immiscible liquids. What I will do, I will open the stopcock, and the liquid which is at the bottom, that is water, it will start coming in the beaker. Now as soon as the kerosene oil reaches the stopcock, I'll close the cork. I'll stop the cork so that kerosene oil, it will remain in the separating funnel, and water, it will come in the beaker. So these are the points of procedures which I have discussed. Use a separating funnel to separate the mixture of immiscible liquids. Pour the mixture in separating funnel. Leave it undisturbed for some time. Open the stopcock and close the stopcock as soon as oil reaches the stopcock. Now what is the principle behind it? Principle is, the two immiscible liquids, they separate out in layers depending upon their densities. Now where this method is applied, applications of separating funnel, it is applied to separate oil from water. Oil and water, they have different densities and they separate out in layers. Second is in the extraction of iron from its ore. The impurities in the iron, they are present in the form of lighter impurities, they are at the top, and heavy metal in the molten state, it is at the bottom, and then it is separated out in this way with the help of separating funnel. Yes, students, let's do the quick recapitulations. I have shown a separating funnel here. The liquid which is having low density, that is kerosene oil, is at the top, and the liquid which is having high density, that is water, it is at the bottom. I will open the tap, water will come down in the beaker, and as soon as the kerosene oil start coming near the tap, I will close the tap, and kerosene oil will left in the separating funnel, and water, it will be in the beaker. So how they are separated? They are separated by separating funnel, because the two liquids, they are immiscible, they have different density. Okay, thank you.